Oh my god.
The cheapest off-road Range Rover for sale and the worst one. Let's have a look, pan round. This beautiful Range Rover was the recipe that was made from a bad decision and multiple pints of beer one night and £1,000 of my hard-earned money. And here it is. It doesn't run, it doesn't drive, but it looks absolutely fucking awesome. Now the question is, can we make this V8 Range Rover run and drive in this episode? I don't know, but let's go and have a look around it. We'll start externally. As you can see, it says hangover because it's not a Range Rover apparently. It's got various knackered things on it. I think it's been off the road since, I don't know, probably 10 years now. It's got a fancy winch on it. I don't know if that works. Nice winch bumper. It's got some very expensive nice wheels on it. Rock sliders. A snorkel. A little CB radio aerial. Yeah, come on round, Matt, come round. As you can see, it's just brilliant. It's had mouse activity there. It's got a CB radio. It's got some really nice seats. I actually quite like these seats, to be fair. It stinks of fuel, and we'll get to why it stinks of fuel. Yeah, it's a peach, a real peach. Now, it doesn't matter if you're sitting in it or 2 miles away, you can smell fuel. And that's because the guy that I bought it from, for some strange reason, decided to take the fuel pump out before it was collected. So I don't know if it ran or if that was removed for a reason. It's got an LPG system in it as well. Yeah, we have a fuel pump. We'll see if it runs. As you can see down there, there's multiple areas of, we'll just call that body lightening.
Entry points.
Entry point, yeah, pest entry points, there we go. Let's go and have a look at the engine. Now, I believe it came off the road last time because it failed an MOT, and it only failed on rust, which isn't a problem for me. But it also said it was idling fast, which is very interesting. I think I've not even got this running, but I think I know what the problem is with it. Let me put this up here. It does have a battery. The battery is on charge. Look at these fancy little suspension turrets there. It's had some money spent on it. I think the reason it was idling fast because there is a vacuum hose missing from here. I think that's a vacuum hose. I don't know, but I would imagine that's not going to have helped. But look at this, it's a glorious V8 EFI 3.9 with a fancy blue hose and a piece of a barrel here and bits of seatbelt wrapped around stuff, and yeah, some questionable bits have been done, but again, I think she's going to run. Now, we've charged the battery. Actually, I'll leave that up. We've charged the battery, so the battery is charged, so that's going to be going in. We've got a brand new fuel pump, but we want to take the fuel out because I don't know if you saw, but it looks like stewed tea. So Matt's going to go off and go get some fuel. I'm going to put the battery in, and then we'll see if she cranks. So bear with us. If it runs, this thing is getting sent today, hard, for a bit of fun. So yeah, I don't know, this engine could be blown. The transmission could be knackered. It could have a stupid immobiliser that won't allow it to work. I mean, I don't like the look of any of the wiring on it, if I'm completely honest with you. But yeah, I do think she will run. So yeah, bear with us. We'll be back in a minute. There goes Matt in his latest purchase. Telling me hanging out with me doesn't make you buy stupid cars. Well, that was Matt in his new purchase. He's just going to go get some fuel. So, I thought I'd give you guys, while we're waiting for Matt, a little update on what's been going on here, because I know I've been away for quite a while. To be honest with you, I'm just flat out with customer cars. Got this one here. Just took the engine out of that and did a load of welding on that for a customer. Just waiting for a new clutch. Got this, an of my good friends. I just drove that back from Cornwall yesterday. Now that's having a body that's been repainted and some rust proofing work. Then inside we've got this old beast. Now I've been using her every day when I can afford the fuel, that is. But she's all tickety-boo. I'll be using that for my wedding in a month's time, which is good. You may notice we have a ramp. That's the biggest improvement that we've got so far. Now, this ramp was a bargain and it has made my life absolutely blissful. I really can't tell you how much fun I've had with this ramp. That's another customer Range Rover there. That's a customer Capri. There's a storage, and that's the Dolomite. So that's basically where we're at now. So this battery, should be fully charged. Lovely. I mean, it's been on charge for about 24 hours, so pretty sure she's good to go. So let's go and take this down, and then we'll start taking the fuel out while we wait for Matt Damon to come back. Right, suck all of that disgusting fuel out of there. We'll all appreciate my lovely little setup. Inline pump. Now, I didn't want those two touching, so I put a little bit of rag found in there. Yep, and the battery. So, ticking time bomb. I'm not going to stand anywhere near it. See you in a minute. Zoom in though. You want to get? One love rat looking for love. China.
Looking for fellow marsupial.
China. I think it goes that way. There it is. Oh, fucking idiot.
What?
Didn't put the seal on it, did I?
On me. Sponsored by the Grove.
That's there.
What did you put on there?
That's a seal.
Rubber seal.
A fuel pump
On the
seal.
inside.
Okay.
That the previous owner graciously left for us. But he took the fuel pump.
And
Wow.
other disclosed things that we haven't discovered yet.
Yes. Well, Mr. Random Man from the internet that I bought this car from, you have not won. Yet. Hasn't ran yet, so. Yes, I should be a fucking mechanic, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Your mum's just messaged you. Do you want veggie burgers or mac and cheese?
Oh, brilliant.
Both.
Both, I think. Veggie burger, mac and cheese in a veggie burger sounds fucking delightful. Come on. Now, from the process of elimination, you would assume that that goes there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That little
That
succulent.
little earthing
Little
thing.
succulent earth. And then I think that that goes like that. Get the little Johnny over it. There we go. And then we've just got two succulent pipes. Why the fuck's it like that?
Yeah.
What the hell was
She's a
that?
Ben one.
She is.
Flipping back on its own.
Yeah, well, I was just wondering if we just disconnect, take the, I don't know, having a fuel filter is probably not a bad thing on this, is it? Get under there. It's almost like someone's put the wrong... Oh, there we go. We just need a jubbly clip. Let's have you.
Looks mint, mate.
Or was
Where's your
the
screwdriver?
stolen screwdriver that was left in here?
It's not stolen, you paid for it.
Yeah, I bought it. He's going to be upset when he finds out he's left a 30p screwdriver in here, but taken a £50 tank pump. Get you in there.
This is cinematic footage.
It is,
Oh, you wait, mate. I'm a popular man on the
you wait till
internet.
the Michael Bay explosions
I
come
get
in.
all of 3 views on something like video.
£32 worth of petrol I just bought. It's going to go up in flames.
Well,
We should have poured the fucking petrol
You
in.
didn't see how we were draining
While
it a
it
minute
was
ago,
open?
did you?
Why did we not pour the petrol in while it was open?
Because we want to stick it through the filler.
Filter.
What, yeah, there's before we
Well,
a hole in the filler in it,
Well,
we'll go to ground.
no, my thought process when we turn the ignition, we want to hear if the pump's pumping without it squirting fuel everywhere.
Grinding,
And this succulent little friend. And there,
Right, you got those wired up correctly.
I think so. Oh no, didn't leave me a free Phillips screwdriver, did he?
yeah. No. I don't think so.
That's annoying.
Oh, I've got one on my Leatherman.
Oh, have you? Let's use your Leatherman. Did you put it away? Oh, hang on. It's all right. I've got this one here that doesn't require a Leatherman.
Okay.
There's a better clip as well. Here,
You don't need me.
not for a sec. Let me just put this one on. Let's put you on, little succulent chap.
He doesn't need you.
So much succulence.
It's part of the itty bitty clippy committee.
Clitty.
Clip known as in Jubilee clip.
He's got to be PC because usually.
No,
Thanks
I
for
don't.
explaining your jokes.
Yeah. Ollie's telling a joke. Ollie's telling a joke.
Ollie's telling a joke and then explains it.
Everybody listen because Ollie's telling a joke.
I always say something inappropriate in videos. I go, make sure to play music over this bit, and he never does.
No.
I'm like, oh god, it's painful.
Itty bitty clippy committee.
I mean, an accurate light.
It's a Jubilee clip.
Yeah, that's it. Clippy committee. Mint.
I think that's good.
Smint.
Smint. Look at that.
Smell done.
Job done.
That's not going anywhere. Sound authoritative like you're doing it. You know what you're doing. Start talking about
I'm not
combobulators.
saying anything because I'm full of chest infection.
He had a busy night with a man and came back with chest infection. Come on, Matt. What are you doing? You're not going to let that battery mug you off, are you?
Out, I pulled it out and you held all the cables out of the way, and now you're not helping.
Richard, give him some comment. Give him some assistance.
He's making it look really easy.
I'm not. It feels like he's catching all that down here. There's nothing there. Oh, there is something.
You
Finally.
got him.
What size do you need? 13s?
Whatever it was you used to take it off.
Oh, I just hit it with a hammer. Box of dreams. We've got 13-ish.
You don't need all that angle brace there.
No.
Although that is kind of helping hold the battery.
Okay, he's a Master Tech.
I'm not.
Land Rover Master Tech. Hitting the...
Where's the hammer that you said you were going to bring? You said
There's a hammer around there, you don't need a hammer.
It does not want to go.
Is it normal for the battery terminals to swell up when you charge it?
Yeah, it's especially when it smells and pops and stuff. I'm just trying to loosen it. So further down. It does not want to go further down that. I think it's got the wrong terminal.
I think the terminal's upside down, isn't it?
Well, the routing of it says it's the right way, surely.
Let's come back to this one. We've not fucked around with it too much.
Bud. Erection.
Matt's light. That was your night last night?
No. No, I was on drugs last night.
Paracetamol isn't a drug, mate.
Of course it is.
So we've done that, and then we've done the fuel pump. Now we're going to see if we get anything on the ignition. Right, bear with us. We'll get Matt to film this massive moment.
Play.
Sure it's not in gear.
Well, it's not, it's an auto.
Still,
I just got to try and find out what fucking key does it. It's got about 50 keys on the key
it's that
ring.
screwdriver from the boot.
Oh, which is it? Look how many key rings there are. Look how many keys there are.
Sponsored by
Oh.
leukemia.
Oh, fuck me, the fuel pump's buzzing away. Nice. Okay, let's put some fuel in it. Let's see if this works.
Let's see if it...
Oh! Breaker, breaker, 19. Breaker, breaker, 19.
Using all of the battery power to do that.
Yeah, let's turn the ignition. Sorry for wasting your time. And then, wow.
I'm not going to get the full... No, we're going to need a nozzle because I'm not going to get the full angle.
Okay, I'll go find the nozzle.
And we're going to spill like
It's alright.
Haribo's worth of petrol.
Look at that. Beautiful job, Nat. See, Grind Hard Plumbing, they buy nice Hummers.
Yeah.
We buy these.
Anything that we can afford to buy.
Yeah. Well, I don't think we could even really afford to buy this, could we? Nah.
Splooging everywhere. And then me and my O-face up.
3 people to fill up a tank. And you're only losing a bit of it.
Like that little bit of finger petrol there.
Finger thing.
Let's just go like that.
Give us a nice quote, Matt. Say something like you would expect someone cool to say something.
The tariffs work. We'll go with that.
Well, we've got fuel. Ignition on. You can hear the pump doing something. Let's turn that off. Right, let's then park. Nothing yet. Oh, that sounded like it wanted to go, didn't it? Ah! No. Oh no, do it again, Richard, do it again.
Who's going to do it? Let Richard do it.
It's probably got some shit fuel in this
It's just like trying to burn up all that water.
Try and keep it going on the accelerator. There we go. Oh, that bell. Yeah! What do you think, Matt? Yeah, a little bit loud, isn't it? No, I think it's a belt. It sounds like a belt's about to fall off it. You like that? I'm happy with that.
She does sound good.
Give it some revs.
Just have a little tidy up. As you can see, we want to take it for a drive, but you might not be able to see it's full of mouse bits everywhere, so clear all this crap out and we'll take it for a rip. Chase Richard. Catch the pigeon, catch the pigeon.
Oh no.
Oh, what is everyone doing going down here?
Bloody traffic. Sounds good.
Dorset Hillman.
Good morning.
That's the fan switch isn't wired in. That's the coolant level, but then we know that that's knackered. That's that panel that I put back in a half after.
Test the brakes.
They do things.